Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll discuss something about Gmail storage. For example, for every email what we have created in the Gmail, we'll get 15 GB of free storage. What if we are running out of that? If we almost use 15 GB, there will be some issues like the incoming emails we won't get because we need to clear some space. First of all, we'll check that. Open your Google Drive app on your Android mobile. So this is my Google Drive app. Click on these three dots and click on storage here. Last option, storage. When you click on storage, this will show you what all the amount you already used for your Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photos. Now for this account, for particular this Gmail account, I use 0.64 GB of 15 GB, so I have lots of space. And in particular it shows for Google Drive it is 0.12 MB, for Gmail half GB, for Google Photos nothing. So for example, if your account is almost full, 14.95 GB or something like that, the incoming emails may not appear to you. This also they have mentioned here. See here, for example, learn how to manage storage. So what if I run out of space? So leave about Google Drive and leave about Google Photos. I'll read for you the Gmail issue. So if your storage is almost full, messages people send you will be written to them. For example, if one of your friend mailed you, so that particular mail will be written back to him or her. So this is the issue regarding to the Gmail if you're running out of space. So now as a solution for this, they have given three options. How to clear space. Clear space in Google Drive, Gmail or Google Photos to make room. So we'll see how we can make clear space in the Google Drive. So I'll clear space in Google Drive by deleting large files that you don't need. So use a computer. If the computer, it will be easy for you to check and delete, even though we can delete in Google Drive app. Right, I'll show you. See, by deleting right in the Google Drive won't clear the space, but you need to empty the trash also. I'll show you that one also. Within 24 hours, the item you deleted will show in the available space in the Google Drive account. So I'll show you. For Gmail, you can use this phrase in the search. For example, I'll copy this. I'll open the Chrome app and I'll browse through gmail.com and I'll request a desktop site. As I'm showing on the mobile, I'll just use the desktop site. Remember, this won't work properly in the Gmail app, so you need to click on the Chrome browser and here you can search for with this phrase, has attachment larger than 10 MB. This means this will filter all the emails which are greater than 10 MB and select what all you don't want to have, means which are not that much important, and you can click on delete so that you're clearing that space. And don't forget to empty your trash also. Once you delete this, please clear your trash so that you are clearing space in Gmail. So this is how we can save some space in. Okay, if we go to Google Photos, the next one, store photos and videos as high quality. Just with one setting we can save a lot of space. I'll show you. Google Photos.settings.com. It's better I show in the Google Photos app right itself. So I'll search as Photos app, Google Photos app, and click on these three dots and click on settings and click on backup and sync. And here under settings you can see option called, by default this will be like original photo, this option. So you need to select this option. This is already selected in my mode. If you select this, there will be free unlimited storage. Photos will be compressed to 16 megapixel, so that if you just select this option, you'll have a lot of space saved on your Google Photos. As we discussed, we are going to delete the files in the Google Drive app. Go to your Google Drive app, and just to delete the files, unwanted files, you can use advanced search by clicking on the search bar. For example, click on PDFs. This will only filter the PDFs. So click any file and click on the select option so that it is select for all. So for example, this particular PDF file you want, just uncheck that So these three I want, and all the remaining three I don't want them. So I can click on remove so that they get deleted. But make sure you need to click on these three dots and click on empty bin, because once you delete they will be still available on the bin. So I am emptying my bin folder, so delete forever. So this way I totally cleared my Google Drive. Likewise, you can search for photos and images and select what all you do want. Just tap on it, press and hold for first one, and just tap on the remaining and delete and empty the bin. Make sure, so deleting will leave you some space from the Google Drive. So these are the few steps you can take to clear the space if you are running out of the space what is allocated for your particular Gmail account. I hope this is useful. If it is useful, please do share it to your other friends so that it may be useful to others too. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.